Fashion, no. Fashion, go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you. Go, I know I gotta keep, go, 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 go. Flow, whoa, whoa. You ain't gotta do none of these niggas no more. I've been the beats, is that okay? Is it okay? Hi babies, welcome back. I told you I was gonna be back. I am on a roll. Yes, I am. So I did this really pretty. It's a pastel-y eyeshadow look. I love it. 2 different eyes. I'm here for it. It's really fun. I had so much fun doing it. It was very easy, very quick, and I loved it. And I only used 1 palette. I only used the Carnival XL Pro palette by Stacey Marie and BPERFECT Cosmetics, and only a handful of shades. It was so easy, so fun to create. I'm so happy with this look, and it came out so beautiful. I even used the highlighter shade that she has in her palette. I'm very excited to see the 3rd eyeshadow palette that she's coming out with BPERFECT. I'm very excited, and I missed it because she's been posting it on her lives, and her lives have been getting deleted, but I know it's gonna be amazing. And look at this hair, guys. So I actually did a curly, sorry, I got distracted, but whatever. I did a curly to straight hair tutorial, and that's a whole nother video, but it came out so good. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, girl. And honestly, I've been getting so much inspiration from Instagram, since that's all we can do right now with quarantine. So it came out really pretty, and I'm so excited for you guys to see, so keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows already, and I'm gonna put the products down below that I used today, because I used I don't think I used anything different. I just did a different technique and got like these really pretty, fuller, perfect as fuck eyebrows. So starting with the inner corner of our eyes, I'm gonna go in, well, not inner corners, but a little bit afterwards. I'm gonna go in with Y though. It's a pretty teal color. This color is so pretty. So I'm just gonna apply that until I get my desired pigment. Make waves and put that on top instead, and see if we get something. There we go. So now we have a color. I'm gonna go in with Wasted, which is this purple color right here. I'm gonna apply that right at the end here, and as I apply it to the end, I'm bringing it inward towards our Make Waves shade. The shade Pep Talk, and we're gonna put this on our outer area, bringing it from the bottom up. I'm gonna go back in with Wasted, just to make sure these 2 colors blend nicely. That seems to be it for this eye. That was so easy. Put my inner corner highlight on, which is gonna be, I'm gonna mix Peppermint with Fair Play to see if I get like a perfect minty color. Taking Peppermint and applying that to our inner corner and to the bottom. And I'm gonna take Fair Play and put it right on top. Yes, and just like I thought, it really lightened. Fair Play really lightened. Keen in our inner corner, but same like the last, not all the way in, but just, and let's just make sure that we don't have any creasing on our eyelid so that our eyeshadow will stick on. So taking Keen, applying this
all at the beginning of our eyelid. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with the shade Foolish first and applying that right there next with Keen. And this just starts giving us like a really pretty orangey shade, the two of them together. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Lit, right on top, close to the end of Foolish. Making sure they're blending together and blending outward. Oh, it's so pretty, so pastel-y looking, these colors. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take the shade Inferno to this outer corner and bringing it out. So bringing it from the bottom upward. So pretty, look at that. We're already done with this eye. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna go back in with Fair Play that we use in our inner corner on this eye. I'm gonna apply it first, right over Keen, and right away this already gave us like a really pretty minty yellow. But I'm gonna apply Fortune in the palette as well with it. So mixing the two and putting them right in front. And they give us this really, really, really pretty pastel yellow. So now I just have to wing up this eye the same way that I did this one. So taking it outwards. And I'm gonna actually go back in with Foolish to better do that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So now I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, baby, so I went ahead and cleaned up and now I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I'm gonna apply this right in these areas that tend to be my more drier areas, and then spread whatever's left off to the sides. And do not forget this part of our forehead right here, because this is always the part that shows the most texture. And now I'm taking my NARS foundation in Barcelona and I'm gonna apply it on a brush. And I'm going to lightly pat it through our entire face, bringing it down to our neck. Always remember to get the bottom of your nose, because I feel like I always forget that part for some weird reason on myself. So I've been gardening outside the last few days, and I guess I got a tan. So now I'm gonna go in with the KW Beauty Concealer in shade 5. And apply that on our under eyes. And I guess we don't have to put it anywhere else since we're so tan. But I'm gonna let that sit for a second and then we're gonna blend it. So I'm also gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Truffle. And apply this wherever I want more definition. And I usually don't put it everywhere, but because we are so pale, we're gonna have to. Okay, now we can start blending everything out. So I'm bringing my concealer right close to that contour so that we can pinch our nose. And when we did the top of our eyeshadow, we had shadow fall down here, and I'm just gonna keep it because I really like it. So just being careful with that. I just took a little break and ate dinner, but before I went to go do that, because I was taking a break, I set my under eyes with my Dermablend Banana Illuminating Powder. And I'm just going to go right back in to kind of blend it out and smoothen it out. Because the girl is not about to get any creasing while eating. So I'm actually going to go in with this ColourPop and Makeup by Shayla Under Construction Blush. This is the color Construct. And I'm going to apply that to our cheekbones. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm going to take the same brush because that color was kind of bronzy, that blush color. And I'm going to go in with Give Me Sun by MAC. And just apply that everywhere. I'm going to go back in with the Carnival XL Pro Palette. And I'm going to take the shade, Gold Luxe. Right here. So then when we take our picture, catches it. Side of this side of our nose, because we don't know what side our picture is going to be on. And the top of our chin, and I kind of just lightly tap it. And then just sweep whatever is left all over the top of our brow bone. So I'm going to take the Benefit Back Out Bang Mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with MAC Fix Plus Finishing Spray. This tends to bring everything together. It's a holy grail product. Love it. So I'm going to go in with the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop Lippy Pencil. This is BFF3. And I have to sharpen it, so hold on. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Artist Couture Saucy Girl. I'm obsessed with this lipstick right now. It's the perfect nudie chocolate. So not chocolate, but like the perfect nude brown. And it just reminds me so much of like Kim Kardashian's signature lip shade right now. And I'm obsessed with it. And I usually do like KKW Beauty lipstick 3 or lipstick 2, and now this is like top 3. So for gloss, I'm going to take the I Love Sour 8 times ColourPop Ultra Lip Glossy in Curvy 2. And I'm just going to put this in the center because I don't want it to change the current lip color that I have. I just wanted to add a little gloss. Perfect. So just to make sure that our inner corners really pop, I'm going to go back in with Fair Play from the Carnival palette. And that was that inner corner highlight that we originally grabbed to mix with our other shades. And I'm going to just pop that over top again. Oh, it's so beautiful. So we are all done. I'm gonna take my hair down and be right back.